Are you having problems with your garage door? Is it an emergency and you need it fixed as soon as possible? Can't find a reliable or trustworthy expert? Well, don't stress any longer. Here at the Garage Door Experts, we have specialized in new garage doors and garage door repair for over 20 years. Services in your local area include garage door repair, broken spring replacement, new garage doors and installations, garage door opener repair and installations, and any other garage door related issues that you or your family may experience. Why choose us? Because you want an affordable, reliable, and satisfactory service. We provide 24/7 garage door repair emergency services. We guarantee complete customer satisfaction. We have lifetime warranties on most of our products. And we offer attractive discounts and deals. Here at the Garage Door Experts, we strive to provide you and your family with the same quality service you would expect from a local and reliable professional. We back most of our work with a lifetime warranty, so you can rest assured that you are getting the work done right the first time. From our family to yours, you can rely on the Garage Door Experts to take care of all your garage door needs. Need more information? Visit us online or call us today